All files and objects in any computer system have unique addresses. Join me, let's initialize and activate Git for Windows. Git is an intelligent version control system that have unique addresses or unique versions for all the files and directories that is activated by Git. By default, Git is not activated in Windows. So to install and activate Git in Windows, we can always download Git for Windows. I have the link in the description. Once the Git is downloaded and installed successfully, we can interact with Git even also from command prompt. Hey Git, show me the version. It means that Git is installed successfully and it is accessible via command prompt. This package also comes with a beautiful command line tool, that's Git Bash. Git Bash is beautiful and it can be an alternative to Windows command prompt. Let's take simplest case and activate Git. I have a sample notes directory and I have a test.txt, just a simple text file inside it. And in order to activate Git here, we can always interact with Git and initialize using git init command. It creates a hidden directory, .git. And that's where Git engine is initialized and it maintains all the files and directories available for running the Git engine. We have a configuration specifically for Git engine, and there we go, we have something called objects directory. This folder is specifically for maintaining the version database. That is, all our files which is tracked by Git will be maintained here. Currently, no files or directories will be tracked by Git. We have to add it manually. This is where we go. Hey Git, add my test.txt file and start tracking it. We can always ensure that whether Git is tracking our files or not, or we can ensure by using Git Status command, which it says that it started tracking our test.txt file and it says it's a new file. That's good. But anyway, in order to add it into version database, we have to always save our file into Git engine. That's where we have another command. We can interact with Git and run this command to save our file into Git version database. That's so simple. Git commit my file. It is always a good practice to write a descriptive commit message so that when we want to roll back to particular version, the message will be helping in big time. I am writing. It ensures that our file is saved in Git version database. We can ensure by once again going to the directory. That's a version database, and that started tracking of our files and directories currently available in our base directory. Stop scrolling when you see me. More exciting videos are loading for you. In next video, I will show how to query this version database of Git.